Hello, tech enthusiasts, and welcome to this immersive exploration of artificial neural networks. Over the course of our journey today, we'll take a deep dive into the fascinating realm of machine learning, unraveling the intricacies of neural networks, and discovering the profound impact they have on our ever-evolving world. So, sit back, relax, and let's embark on this enlightening odyssey through the wonders of artificial intelligence. To truly appreciate the marvels of artificial neural networks, we must first understand their essence. Picture a digital brain, a network of interconnected nodes emulating the complexity of our own neural connections. These nodes, or artificial neurons, form layers that process information in a way that mirrors the human brain. Join us in this segment as we explore the foundational architecture of ANNs and grasp how they serve as the backbone of modern machine learning. The magic of neural networks lies in their ability to learn, and this process is at the heart of the AI revolution. In this segment, we'll take a closer look at how neural networks learn from data. Through an iterative process called training, these networks adjust internal parameters, recognize patterns, and make informed decisions. Join us on this journey through the intricate mechanisms that enable machines to learn from experience. Now that we have a solid grasp of the fundamentals, it's time to explore the diverse architectures that make neural networks versatile problem solvers. From the straightforward structure of feed-forward networks to the intricacies of recurrent networks, each architecture is tailored for specific tasks. In this segment, we'll unravel the science behind these architectures, providing insights into their unique strengths and applications. Artificial neural networks aren't just theoretical constructs. They are powerful tools transforming industries and daily life. Join us on a journey through the real-world applications of ANNs, ranging from image and speech recognition to medical diagnostics and autonomous vehicles. Through captivating examples, we'll showcase the revolutionary impact of neural networks on our technological landscape. While celebrating the successes of artificial neural networks, it's essential to acknowledge the challenges that come with this revolutionary technology. In this segment, we'll delve into the limitations, ethical considerations, and ongoing advancements in the field. From discussing the intricacies of deep learning to exploring how scientists are pushing the boundaries, we'll gain a comprehensive understanding of the dynamic landscape of machine learning. The quest for more efficient computing has led us to neuromorphic computing, a field inspired by the human brain. In this segment, we'll explore how neuromorphic chips aim to process information in a way that closely mimics neural networks. Join us in understanding how this innovation holds the potential to create more energy-efficient and powerful AI systems, paving the way for a new era of computing. As we peer into the future, the implications of advancing artificial neural networks become even more profound. Join us in this segment as we discuss the potential impact of ANNs on personalized medicine, climate modeling, and various aspects of our lives. But this exploration isn't without its ethical considerations. We'll navigate the responsible development and deployment of AI technologies, ensuring a positive impact on society. As our exploration of artificial neural networks comes to a close, I hope you've gained a deeper appreciation for the wonders of machine learning. The journey through the intricacies of neural networks is ongoing, and as we navigate this ever-evolving landscape, may we do so with responsibility and a commitment to shaping a future where AI benefits all of humanity. Thank you for joining us on this immersive odyssey. Stay curious, stay inspired, and embrace the boundless possibilities of artificial intelligence. Until next time, this is Science of Voice signing off.